Today we're going to make some earrings out of these moons. So first off, I'm going to open this up. You twist it. It's wanting to twist the whole thing. And put our moon on and twist it back. If you have to wiggle it a little bit to get it to close, wiggle it a little bit, but you ought to. This one didn't twist like usual. See if this one will twist right. You take it, hold it, and you twist it. And then you hook it. Twist it back. Make sure it's good and closed. Alright, so we're going to take one of these little big caps and a light blue one. I've got too many dark blue ones there. And then another big cap, but we want it going that way. Well, this ought to be coming out around Thanksgiving, so I hope y'all are ready for Thanksgiving if you celebrate it. I don't know what country you're in, so we're coming up on our next holiday. Will be Thanksgiving. Yeah, we'll use another big cap. Looks like I need lotion on my hands. It's that time of year, I guess. Whenever it starts to get cold outside, your hands get dry. Ain't cold yet, but it's just a matter of time. Put a little one, sparkle, sort of like star, because I was using the moon and the dark sky, and using the little ones for like starlight. There. Put it on. And we need the light one. And then one more for the other side. Just doing a simple pair of earrings. I thought maybe y'all would want to tag along with me. Alright, now, should I put a little one up at the top? No, let's not. Alright, we'll go about a half inch above the top. Twist it over and start rolling it. Now if I was using soft wire, I would wrap it around. I would not do this because this is stiff wire. Hit a hole But soft wire, the first time somebody got it caught in their hair, they would pull the earring apart. They ain't cooperating today. It's wanting to bend. Alright. Let's see. It's hanging that way. I want to turn it. So you want this one that way. Alright. We're going to do that again. And hopefully I've got everything in my hand I need. So I need a big cap, a light one, big cap going the other way, one of the little ones, a big cap, a blue one, hope I haven't put two big caps on somewhere. Oh, I see it. A big cap. Then the little one. That little one's like a 2mm. And these are 6. It might be a 3mm. I think it's a 3. And the other one, that's why I couldn't find it a minute ago, it's stuck. Alright. Then that's what you have. Oh, we're going to cut it about a 1/2 inch up above the earring. And I was going to do some pendants this weekend, and I have not felt good all weekend, so I've been to the doctor, so everything has to run its course, I guess. I need to cut a little bit more off. Now, I need to turn that. So now, I'll put gold ear wires on this, since everything is gold except for the head pins or the eye pins. Having alright, we're going to take them and hold them and twist them that way, like that. That's what it look like. And you take your moon, turn it so it's down, it's hanging down, and twist it back. twist it. And twist it back. And if you've got a gap, sort of wiggle it a little bit, work it till it's against it. I think it's a little gap there. I don't think it'll come off. Okay. Well, yeah, thanks for watching. That's a simple little earring that you can do with a charm. And I've got a whole bag of charms, so I'm going to make up, and I'm going to just go ahead and video them for you. You don't have to use as many beads. You could just use one little bead and a charm. That's the idea. I'm going to make a few more little earrings along the way. I've got several charms, and I'm going to try to get some pendants made. I just have not felt good. And until next time, thanks for sticking with me till the end, and like and subscribe. It really helps me out. And I'll see you on the next one. Y'all have a good one. Take care. Bye-bye.